Hi, welcome to the English class. How to respond to thank you in different ways. You are welcome is a perfectly valid way of responding to thank you, but for native speakers it is a bit formal. There are many other common ways to say you're welcome and sound more natural. All you need is to expand your knowledge a little to have other alternatives to use. Here are the following casual phrases you can use in your daily life. If you are insisting on using the form you are welcome, I advise you to add some spice in it. For example, thank you for your help. You're very welcome. I enjoyed helping you. Very welcome. Here's another option. I appreciate your help today. No problem. No problem. Example number 3. Thanks for inviting me. My pleasure. My pleasure. Example number 4. Thank you for driving me home. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Example number 5. Thanks for looking after my dog. I know you would do the same for me. I know you would do the same for me. Example number 6. Thank you for picking me up. That's all right. That's all right. Here are some other useful expressions. Sure. No worries. Happy to help. It was the least I could do. Anytime. It was nothing. Much obliged. All of these phrases mean that the person was glad to help you and that you shouldn't worry about thanking them. In other words, they mean you are welcome. One more thing to remember. The next time you thank someone, don't be surprised if he or she responds with thank you. If someone says this, it means that not only you were being helped, but you were helping someone else in return. Learn more about the English language. Click on the subscribe button. Never stop learning. Bye.